What's up, YouTube? This is Foxtail Digital coming to you again with Black Girl Stocks. And in this video, we're going to be talking about swing trading. So what is swing trading? How do you swing trade? What's it all about? And a couple of tips for swing trading. So this is going to be a quick video. It's going to be basic, similar to the day trading video, but I just want to hit it straightforward, get it in the money, and then jump out. It's not going to be too much. First, if this is your first time watching this video, please make sure that you click that thumbs up button. It really helps the channel. Also, make sure that you subscribe and click that notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video for you guys. What is swing trading? In its essence, swing trading is when you buy a stock and you sell it anywhere from one day to a couple of weeks. So it's like a swing. It's a swing trade. So you're gonna buy it one day and you either sell it the next day or within a couple of weeks, but it's definitely not within the same day. And that's the difference between day trading and swing trading. Day trading, you're gonna buy that stock and actually sell it again in that trading day, but with swing trading, you're hoping to buy it at a lower price and wait for a swing up in the price so that you can make profit and sell it that way. So with swing trading, there's a few things that you're going to want to know. One, you're going to want to know what type of stocks are good for swing trading and swing trading strategies. Two, you're going to want to know the current market that the stock you're looking at is in. So what is the current market or trend going on for that stock? Is it a bullish market or is it a bearish market? So you need to know that information. Also, just a few swing trading strategies that I'm going to give you. So just a couple of things. Like I said, it's going to be really brief, just real cute. I just want to dip your toe in, and then, further on we can do more elaborate things. But I really just want to give you the basics of what swing trading is, okay? With picking the stock, how do you pick stocks for swing trading? You want actively traded stocks that swing between high and low periods frequently. And so this is going to give you the opportunity to ride the wave, over a few days of that stock going from low to high, low and high. You know what I'm saying? Stocks that have a high volume and that have a lot of activity. There's a lot of movement and it's very easy to get into the trade. It's very easy to get into a buy and to get into a sell. With swing trading, you're going to look for stocks that have high liquidity. High liquidity means that there are a lot of orders to buy and sell this particular stock, which increases the probability so that the highest price that someone is willing to pay for the stock and the lowest price that someone is willing to pay move closer together. Just an extra note, the distance between the bid and the sell is called the spread. So bidding is when you're, placing a bid to buy the stock, and selling it is when you're selling it. So the price in between the bid and the sell, that's called the spread. And that's one way that you're going to be able to check for high liquidity. So let's just, Tesla is one of my favorite stocks, but honestly, legit, I really want a Tesla. So I will continue to use Tesla as an example until I get one. Let's go to Robinhood and let's just look at an option. And we're looking at AMRS. But okay, look, you see right here where it says bid and ask. So you see that the difference in between this is, what is this, 20 cents? The lowest that they're willing to sell this for is 25 cents. The highest is 45. A smaller or a tighter margin for the bid and ask price is a sign of high liquidity, high supply and demand, which is basically all the liquidity is. What is the supply and demand? Stocks that are high in supply and demand have a higher liquidity. They have higher volatility. People are buying it and they're selling it off. That gives you opportunities for profit, okay? We love liquidity. And so on the opposite side, a wide bid versus ask spread, that's an indication that there's not a lot of volume, there's not a lot of activity going on in that stock when there are more buyers than there are sellers. So if you have more buyers than sellers, then that is an indication of an uptrend. Basically, kind of leads us into the second portion that you'll want to know is knowing the market that you're in. Let's just go back to ThinkOrSwim. Knowing what current trend that a market is in, whether it's uptrend or downtrend. Let's just look at this stock right here, TRN. This is a 180-day chart, 4-hour chart. So that basically means that this is showing you 180 days. So each one of these little candlesticks represents 4-hour increments of that trading day over 180 days. Whether it's an uptrend or a downtrend, with swing trading, you want to know whether it's a bullish market or a bearish market, because you want to, and this is one of the tips for later, but you want to go with the trend. So if that market is going down, that gives you the opportunity to, with a downtrend, you can buy it when it's low. When you see that it's in a downtrend, you can buy it when it's high, sell it when it's low if you want to do a put option or something like that. There's a lot of important information in knowing the market trend. So you have a bullish market and you have a bearish market. And in a bear or bull market, momentum is going to generally carry a stock in that continuous direction for a period of time before there's a reversal or some type of breakthrough. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to capture the trend that you're in, and you can do that by drawing trend lines. So you can draw a trend line. So with that trend, that's going to give you examples of places that you can buy in and sell. So this is an example of an uptrend, or we can find a downtrend. Hold on, let's see. You can do the same thing with the downtrend. This is a little downtrend right here. Know the market that you're in, know the trend that particular stock is doing, and that is another thing that's crucial with swing trading, because that is what swing trading is. You want to trade on that swing. You see how it's swinging here? Swing, 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 swing. So that is the second thing that I really wanted you guys to know about swing trading, is know the market that you're in. Is it a bullish market, uptrend, or is it a bearish market, downtrend? And then that'll help you to make the best strategies for that trade or whatever strategy for that particular stock. So, and the last thing that I want to talk about are just a few strategies that you can use to get into swing trading and just kind of open your mind up to it. Not too much. I don't want to overwhelm you, but just a little something to think about. With swing trading, just looking at the price, that's one way that you can decide whether you're going to buy or sell. That's going to give you your buy and sell indicators, just looking at the price, looking at the actual chart. And I can leave a link below on how to read stock charts and how to read candlestick charts, so that'll help you. But there are other things that you can use to help you know when to buy and sell a stock for your swing trades, okay? And that's going to be your indicators. So I think in every video I mentioned indicators at least once, so I'm just gonna make it brief. But the first indicator that is critical with swing trading is the RSI indicator. The RSI indicator measures how fast and how long it takes prices to change in that stock. So this is a momentum oscillator that is going to move between the values of 0 and 100. It's a signal of a stock being overbought or oversold, with 30 being oversold, meaning that a lot of people are selling off, and so the value of that stock has gone down. The demand for that stock is going down at that time, versus a stock being 70 and above. With the RSI indicator, that means that it's overbought. So one strategy that you can use with the RSI indicator is, depending on the trend that you decided that stock is in, what you'll do is, depending on the trend that you decided that stock is in, what you'll do is, let's look at this TRN stock, but let's kind of zoom in, and you see right here at the bottom, you see right here where the chart is kind of touching 40. All right, so look up here at the chart, and that is a low point for the stock. So it's actually a buy signal. So this is a point where you would buy that stock, and you can actually hold it all the way up here until it's about $23. And you see right there, that's when it's completely oversold. It's over the 70 mark. So the next indicator is the exponential moving average. I love the EMA. So the exponential moving average is basically just averages of price movement in a stock over a period of time. So whatever time frame that you're looking at. We're still looking at the TRN stock. The prices are the candlesticks. This is a candlestick chart. So all these little small boxes and things like that, that's the actual price movement. We have a video about candlestick. I told you I have a link below, so make sure you check that out, because I'm not gonna talk about it right now. But you see this little green line in between it? That is our EMA line. The strategy for this that is going to show you how to get into a swing trade is waiting for EMA line to give you an indication of whether to buy or sell. So when the EMA line is below the price, that's a sign of an uptrend or just an up signal. So as you see right here, what is this? Around early April, you see how, you know, the stock price is completely above the EMA line. You know, it was going up during that time. Versus over here, you see right here how the candlesticks are below the EMA line. That's a downtrend. So use the EMA line to let you know what trend you're in. Guys, also let me know if you want to see a really detailed video about how you can draw trend lines on charts. Leave a comment below and let me know if you guys would want to see a video about how to mark trends and write out trends on your charts. So leave a comment below for that. But yeah, anyways, I'm just gonna leave you with these last 3 tips, okay? And then we're done. Always, always, always trade in the direction of the trend, because on your stock chart, you're gonna wanna view it from a large time frame. When you're finding trends, you want to look at it from far away. You want to start from far and then move up. So start at 10 years, 5 years, to the 1 year, to the 3 month. You're going to want to start and look at the big picture to find the trend. So always make sure whatever trade that you're trading, your strategy needs to be with that trend. Whatever trend the period is in, go with the trend. Okay, so always follow the trend. 2, don't trade markets that are not volatile. Markets that are just stagnant and they're not really moving, that's not going to help you with a trade or with swing trading, because it's not moving, it's not doing anything. Let me see if I can find it. So I'm just going to use this HTZ, sorry Hertz, but I'm going to use this as an example. But what is this? Around July of this year, there was not a lot of movement here. You know, the price stayed, you know, it didn't go above $1.50 for a month. So, I mean, that's a few cents that maybe you can flip around with if you're doing penny trades, but you want a stock that's making big, crazy jumps. You know, you want to see stocks that are going from $1 jumping to 2, 3, 4. You know, you want dollar changes, you know, from the week to the day. Trade stocks that are very volatile and very liquid, very active, like Nemo. And lastly, trade both sides of the market. And we talked about this before. When you're starting out with trading stocks, it's always easier to, you know, look for uptrends and find stocks that are doing well. But I mean, that's only half of the probability of profit in stock. So if a stock isn't going up, what is it doing? It's going down. So if you don't learn how to trade and make profit even when the stock market is going down, then you're really missing out on a lot of opportunities to be successful in the stock market. So that's another thing to be mindful of and kind of get in the habit of practicing and just getting different strategies in trading in down markets, or, you know, just even when the stock is dropping. So that is critical to your success as a swing trader. Okay, honestly, that's really all I'm gonna say for this video. It's gonna be, you know, kind of brief, basic, short, but I feel like it's sweet and to the point. But yeah, so that's it for this video. Oh, I actually have a free stock from Crystal. So let's look and see what this free stock is. Let's go here. OPK, yay, $4. Where's the Apple stocks? Robinhood, like, y'all keep giving me this trash stock, and you know, I'm not saying I'm not thankful, but okay, so thank you for that, Crystal. Let me know in the comment below what stock you got. So if you found any value in this video, please make sure that you click that thumbs up button and subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll know whenever I upload a new video for you guys. But yeah, so that's it for this video. That's Black Girl Stocks coming to you again, and I'll catch you guys next time. All right, peace.